So, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 with Google Pixel Fold firmware. By the way, if you guys do not know, this is a Google Pixel Fold prototype before they went ahead and released or even had a model of the Google Pixel Fold. They had to use the Galaxy Z Fold 2 to actually see how the Pixel software would work and, how it would operate. So, if you guys remember, this was $5,000. Now he has dropped the price down to $3,000. So he dropped it down 40%. There's a little bit of me who wants to buy this if it comes down more. Like, if it actually does go down more, I might consider buying this. Because it would be cool to see on the channel and obviously look at and kind of go through. I know in theory it's just a Google Pixel Fold, in a shell of a Z Fold 2. But it would be cool for, just to have, just for longevity sakes, one day looking back and be like, wow, this is where the Google Pixel Fold started. But the price tag would have to come down a lot more. And it seems like there are interest in this, but I think this is interest where it says like one watcher in the last 24 hours. I think this is really what it comes down to is people are interested in the idea of this and they're like, ooh, like this is crazy. I want to watch this to see if it sells. And I think that's what it really comes down to. But at the same time though, depending on how much more he drops it, because he dropped it 40%, which is a lot. I mean, that's almost half of the price tag he asked for. He dropped it down. If he drops this down to like, I don't know, 13, 1400, I would be an interested buyer, but it would have to be, again, another humongous drop. But if he's trying to unload this, which it seems like, although he's getting a lot of attention and people are talking about it and everything, and I believe he even posted here. Did he post in here that there was an article? Yeah, he posted there was an article written about this device. So he's really trying to sell this device in that context. Like, hey man, this is the device you can sell. I mean, you can buy. And so, again, like I said, it's just funny to see because it's dropping more and more. And if this drops even more, 1400, I will take this off his hands. I might make an offer. Should I make an offer, guys? Should I make an offer on this device? Because this is a not one of a kind. There are other prototypes. Not on eBay, but there are other prototypes you can buy. I think 1400, maybe 1200. I think that's a realistic price tag. 5,000 was just ridiculous. And I think he understood that too. Even 3,000 is ridiculous. That's nothing what it would go for. Because again, what you're looking for if you're selling this device is you're looking for someone who is buying it for the fact that it's a prototype, right? You're not buying this because you're using this. You're not buying this because of you're trying to get the software off of it or anything, because this is just Pixel Fold software. This is not really crazy, new software. This is just software that is on the Google Pixel Fold right now and other, Pixel Fold devices. So it's just I believe, if I'm correct, it's just Android 12L. Unless it's Android 13. This is, what software does he have listed here? Is it 12L? It should be 12L because that's right around the corner of the Pixel Fold. I don't think he said. He just says Pixel Fold software, but I think it's Android 12L. I believe that's the Pixel Fold software is running off of. Which again, like I said, it makes perfect sense. So overall wise, guys, this one big good update video, kind of talking about this because I want to hear your thoughts and opinions down below. Should we pick this up? Is this I think, again, like I said, 1300, I'm going to say, is probably my price tag. Which he probably won't take. He probably will not take that in any way. I don't know how much he bought it for. That's another thing. He could have paid, $5,000 for it. Which, it really comes down to a very niche product. And it's a collector product. And that's the problem. When you have a collector product, the price tag can be anything someone is willing to pay for it. I'll see you guys next one.